I'm from Pakistan.
All right. Not for Indonesia. Wait.
One of the best way to make pineapple farming attract to young people is for the government to also help by financing the young people. For example, now, the demand for pineapple around the world is increasing on a daily basis. If Nigeria become the highest producer of pineapple in the world, supplying all other countries around the world, I think it's the best thing that our government can do for our youth, because the demand is there. Because if you can create something, or you have a land that can produce a good pineapple, then it is good for us, an opportunity for us. And the government can just empower the youth as in finance, because major thing is finance. When people have finance, then they can do anything. David is here to train, to educate, to put people through, and to make Nigeria the exporter of pineapple. We have trained over 500 people. Okay. The economic value, or the value chain in pineapple, is so wide. For example, you can make clothing from pineapple, you can make shoes, you can make plastic spoon, plastic plates, you can make biofuel, biodiesel. You can make pineapple fruit. So pineapple has gone beyond just eating it raw, because the value chain is so high, and that is why pineapple is in high demand. What I want the government to do at this point is to create an enabling environment, so that people who are out of Nigeria can find it fit to invest back home. Because when we have an enabling environment, it will attract a lot of foreign investors. What I want to tell people from moving forward from here is that the future is here. The future starts here. Join force together with the Vidola and let us make Nigeria exporter of pineapple, make Nigeria the hub of pineapple for the rest of the world. That is my message for people. One of the partnerships we have entered into in a recent time is partnering with some of inventors in the area of turning pineapple waste to wealth. Today, right here in the farm, we have some visitors from Netherlands and Indonesia. They are our partner, working with us as we are moving into pineapple fruit concentrate, the waste product of what we call the byproduct of the pineapple fruit concentrate, to convert it to biofuel, convert it to fertilizer, organic one that can solve the problem of importation of fertilizer even in Nigeria. Phase 1 has been sold out. Right now we are at the phase 2. And in this phase 2, the road passed through the phase 2. Even people who came for allocation today, they saw the work that is going on, construction of the road by the World Bank. So here where we are at the Vidola Farm Estate is a good and a choice area. You can imagine what this place is going to become tomorrow when that road is being officially opened. So here we are is Vidola Pineapple Farm Estate, phase 2, because phase 1 has been sold out. And if you are out there, it's an opportunity for you to become a farm owner.
So talking about the pineapple, it is a beautiful fruit, but we can make from the waste, we can turn it into multiply things. So think about fertilizers, because it's full of sugar. Think about biogas, or think about biodiesel. So the byproduct is huge. I will give you an example. We make imitation leather in Indonesia from byproducts from coffee and cassava. We make bioplastic from cassava. We can do the research on pineapple to look, can we make bioplastic? Or maybe can we make, from the thistles, can we make fabric? Like we do also in Indonesia with our palm trees. We make nice t-shirts like this one.
Hello.
Yeah, I know.
Your name? I don't go to the These are my partners.
Baby dollar, thank you. Next time I'll not come here.
Sorry, ma. Hope you're not too tired.
Show me governor.